All right, let's take Copilot for a spin. In this, basically, I'm trying to write a shell script using which I can create an S3 bucket. Then I want to create an IAM user, and then I want to create an IAM policy, which allows a user to access that bucket. And essentially, I'm going to attach the policy to the IAM user. But that's not the interesting part. The interesting part here is that I'm not going to write any code for this, and I'm going to let Copilot do the whole thing. So let's dive right in. Let me specify the bucket name and then create S3 bucket using S3 API. That's what I want. There you go. Well, this will work. I don't want to give any additional configuration, so I'll just let this go. So that, and then create an IAM user. All right, perfect. All right, let me change it to, let's add an IAM user here, which is, let's say, perfect. And then, all right, great. Create an IAM policy to access the S3 bucket. Okay, let's see. Well, even though it is creating, it's saying IAM but user policy, it's actually not creating the policy. So let's try if I echo, does it? Oh, wonderful. Wow. So let's see. This is it is allowing actions, put object, get object list bucket, and it is allowing everything on this particular resource, which is wonderful. This is exactly what I want. Let's see if it allows me to create the policy. Perfect. Okay, great, wonderful. So this will just emit out this JSON into the policy.json file, and then I'm going to use that and attach it to the user. All right, and create an IAM access key for the user, and that generates the access key. All right, I think that's it. We are done. So we have created an S3 bucket. We have created an IAM user. We have created a policy which allows the user to access the bucket, and we have created the access key for the user eventually. So let's see if all of it works. Also, just a second, I want to set flag to exit on error. So perfect. I also want to set flag to echo commands during execution. I don't remember the flags. Wonderful. So Copilot picks it up and it does its job. Great. So I think that's it. Let's see if this works. All right. Created the bucket successfully. Created the user successfully. It created the policy successfully. And it created the access key as well. And so it works. This Copilot is amazing.